Okay, bachcho, so this is a chapter that we already did. You can see this, that the chapter number 1 is completely done by us, right? And all the points that requires for this chapter is completed. Now we can move on towards some past papers questions, right? So here we have question number 1. Yes, I think this is pretty simple question and you all can solve this easily. So I just want that that Farwa solve this question. Yes, Farwa, can you solve this?
Yes, sir. एक second.
Okay, and I want Kiran to solve the second one, and I want Maha to solve the third one, and I want Hanzala to solve the fourth one. Right, bacho? Farwa, Kiran,
So,
and Maha and Hanzala. आपको चारों को ये solve करना है, right?
सर ये पहले वाले का ए लग रहा है.
पहले वाले का ए लग रहा है. Let's check. What is the question? The question is, why does a balloon full of helium gas become smaller as the temperature changes from 30 to 10? You can see this, bacho. What's going to be happen over here? Temperature is actually 30 in the start, and now it is going to be 10. That means temperature kam ho raha hai, right? When the temperature is going to be decreased, we know that the kinetic energy of the particle is going to be decreased, and when the kinetic particle of the energy of the particles are going to be increased, then their ability to move will going to be decreases, right? And the pressure of these particles is going to be decreased. So what is the right answer? The gas condense? No, this is not.
Sir, D hoga na?
Let me check. The gas particles become smaller. No, this is not right. The gas particle diffuse through the balloon. No.
Sir, she's saying D. D for dog.
Yes, the gas particle move more slowly, so reducing the pressure. This is the right answer. D for doll भी हो सकता था, dog के अलावा. सही है? ठीक है भाई. So this is the right answer. बच्चों, is that clear or not?
Yeah.
आसान है ना? बहुत आसान question. Yes, the second one is from Kiran. Yes, Kiran, can you solve this? This is also very simple.
Sir, part C.
Part C. Okay, let me check. A sample of a gas occupied a volume 2 decimeter cube at room temperature and pressure, which changes in the condition would both decrease the volume of occupied by the gas. You know that, बच्चों, अगर हम temperature increase करते हैं, if the temperature of the substance is going to be increased, we know that the particles start moving with more energy and then they will take more space ना. तो अगर आप temperature बढ़ाते हो तो volume बढ़ता है, ये बात तो हमें पता है, ठीक है ना? तो इसका मतलब ये हुआ कि if we want to decrease the volume, तो आपको temperature बढ़ाना नहीं है, temperature आपको क्या करना है, कम करना है, right? और ये भी आपको बात बच्चों पता है कि for example if you have balloons, so if you apply pressure on the balloons, so pressure apply करने से the volume of the balloon is going to be decreased ना. So it means if you want to decrease the volume, so for this you need to increase the pressure, right? So let's check the answer. Decrease pressure, decrease temperature and increase pressure. That is the right answer. Very good, Kiran. Yes, Maha, can you solve the third question?
I think it's C.
It's C. Which change in pressure and temperature would both result in decrease in the volume? It is the same question, same. And we know that increasing pressure and decreasing temperature can cause the decrement of the volume. Very good, Maha. Perfect. This is the right answer. Okay. Yes, Hanzala. Can you solve the fourth one?
Sir, I think it's A.
It's A. Oh, no. No. That's not right, I think. Let me check. Hydrogen sulfide and hydrogen chloride are both gases at room temperature and pressure. Which gas will diffuse most rapidly? They're asking for most rapidly. So if we talk about H2S and if we talk about HCl, so what is the molecular mass of H2S? It is 2 plus 32 will give you 34. And it is 1 plus 35.5, it will give you 36.5. So which gas will going to be diffused faster? H2S. So maybe the right answer will be this or this. These two can be the right answer. Then we know that, bacho, if temperature increases, diffusion increases, right? So what is the greater temperature over there? -40 or -20?
-40.
-20 बेटे, माइनस के अंदर छोटी वाली वैल्यू बड़ी होती है, तो -20 is the greater temperature. So the right answer will be D. Okay बच्चों?
Yes.
किसी को कोई मसला है इसके अंदर तो पूछ सकता है. Yes, every one of you, my dear students, is that clear to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then move towards the fifth one. Yes, so we have a few more students over here. Musira, you are going to solve the question number 5, and then Iman Ali, you are going to solve the question number 6. Then question number 7 is for Amreen. Amreen, you are going to solve the question number 7, and then we have Saad. Saad, question number 8 is yours, and Daniel, question number 9 is yours. Right, bacho? So let's start from Musira. Yes, Musira.
Sir, will it be C?
It will be C. Let's see. Which condition will give you the highest rate of diffusion? We know that if we want higher diffusion, we should have lower molecular mass and higher temperature. So molecular mass should be lower and the temperature is higher. That means, Musira, you are absolutely perfect. Very good. Yes, bacho, is that clear to all of you? Yes, everyone over here, is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, next किसकी ऑप्शन है? किसको दिया मैंने नेक्स्ट वाला? ईमान अली. Yes, Iman. Iman, are you there? Yes, Iman. Okay, Samin, can you solve this?
Sir, can you please show the question again?
Yes, question number 6, Samin.
Sir, A.
A. Let's check, is that A or not? What they are asking for, they are asking for which gas will diffuse at the fastest rate at the same temperature and pressure. That means in this question, MR going to be judged, right? So what is the MR of argon? It is 40. What is the MR of this substance? It is 3 carbon 36 plus 8. It will be 44. And carbon dioxide is also 44. And fluorine is 19 into 2, 38. So the lightest the gas, the fastest the rate of diffusion. So it means the right answer will be D, right? Right, Samin?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, question number 7. Yes, Amreen, can you solve this?
जी सर, मुझे डी लग रहा है.
आपको डी लग रहा है, तो आपको लग रहा है तो डेफिनेटली सही होना चाहिए. Let's check which statement are correct. The volume of a gas at constant pressure increases as the temperature increases. Definitely, if you are going to increase the temperature and the pressure is constant now, so that means there is no effect of pressure in this right now. So if you are increasing temperature, then definitely the volume is going to be increased. That means this is right. Okay, then the rate of diffusion of a gas increases as the temperature increases. We know that, and we increase the temperature, the diffusion is also going to be increased. Then the pressure of a gas at constant volume decreases as the temperature increases. Now, if you increase the temperature, definitely the pressure of the particles will increase, right? So that means second G.
So ये पहली statement समझाते हैं.
पहली वाली statement ये कह रहा है volume of gas increases. Volume क्या होगा? Increase होगा जब आप temperature increase करेंगे. This is the fact now. When you are going to increase the temperature, the volume of any substance is going to be decreased because the particles are going to move with faster energy or more energy, right? So they will go beyond the limits. So the volume is going to be increased once you increase the temperature, right?
जी sir.
So that means the right answer is B, right? So this is the right answer of this question, right, बच्चों?
Yes.
Okay, so 8-1. Saad, yes. What is the answer of this? Yes, Saad, what is the answer of question number 8? Saad, are you not there? Okay, Ayan, can you solve this, Brite?
Yes, sir.
Ayan, kindly answer this question number 8.
Is it D, sir?
Is it D? So let's check what the question is saying. The question is saying, bacho, that 4 substances are heated gently. The temperature at which they start and finish melting are recorded, right? So this is a start melting temperature and this is finish melting temperature. So just look at over here. These two substances are going to be melt at fixed temperature, right? And these two are not. इन दोनों को अगर आप देखते हैं तो इन दोनों का starting temperature और finishing temperature different है, and they are showing the melting at sharp temperatures, right? And they are not, their melting point varies, right? So this is the problem. Just look at over here. Remember this, that pure substances melt at sharp temperature, right? Pure substances melt at sharp temperatures. जो point आएगा उसी पे पूरा का पूरा melt हो जाएगा, right? So they are saying substance 1 is only pure. ये pure है खाली? No. We have the second one is also pure, right? Then substance 3 and substance 4 are impure. Substance 3 and substance 4, these two are impure. This is the right statement, right, बच्चों? This is the right statement. Clear है? अच्छा देखें आयान, आपने जो बेटे स्टेटमेंट बताई है, दे आर सॉलिड एट रूम टेम्परेचर एंड प्रेशर. जस्ट लुक एट ओवर हियर. The substance is going to be melt over here at 0 degree centigrade. ना अब कोई सब्सटेंस अगर 0 पे मेल्ट हो रहा है तो वो रूम टेम्परेचर थोड़ी है. इसका मतलब ये है कि ये आपके पास, ये जो है आपके पास रूम टेम्परेचर पे तो सॉलिड नहीं हो सकता, ये रूम टेम्परेचर पे डेफिनेटली लिक्विड होगा. सही है
सर?
जी बेटे.
सब्सटेंस 1 का लाइक मेल्टिंग और बॉइलिंग पॉइंट शार्प है, तो ये प्योर नहीं होगा.
बॉइलिंग पॉइंट थोड़ी लिखा हुआ है, ये लिखा हुआ है कोई सब्सटेंस मेल्ट होना स्टार्ट हुआ है और उसने सारा का सारा मेल्ट उसी पॉइंट पे हो गया. बॉइलिंग पॉइंट थोड़ी लिखा हुआ है.
लेकिन इनका मेल्टिंग पॉइंट शार्प है, तो ये प्योर नहीं होगा.
मेल्टिंग पॉइंट शार्प है ना, इसलिए तो प्योर है. पहला वाला और दूसरा वाला दोनों प्योर है.
तो ऑप्शन बी करेक्ट कैसे हुआ?
ऑप्शन बी में लिखा हुआ है सब्सटेंस 3 एंड सब्सटेंस 4 आर इम्प्योर. तो सब्सटेंस 3 और जो 4 है अगर आप उसको देखें तो वो तो इम्प्योर है. उनकी तो मेल्टिंग पॉइंट वेरी कर रही है ना, 36 पे स्टार्ट हुआ 40 तक मेल्ट हुए जा रहा है.
अच्छा ओके, सही है.
जो भी प्योर सब्सटेंस होगा ना, जब वो मेल्ट होना शुरू हो जाएगा तो टेम्परेचर कांस्टेंट हो जाता है, टेम्परेचर नहीं बढ़ता. आपको याद होगा आपने पढ़ा क्या था, आपने पढ़ा था हीटिंग कर्व और कूलिंग कर्व. उसके अंदर आपने देखा था जब कोई सब्सटेंस मेल्ट हो रहा था तो उसका टेम्परेचर इंक्रीज नहीं हो रहा था. आप हीटिंग कर रहे थे but still temperature is not increasing, right?
Yes.
So this is the same case, right बच्चों?
Okay, thank you.
Okay, yes. Question number 9. Yes, Daniel.
A fourth one. D.
Fourth one, which substance would diffuse most quickly? So over here बच्चों, the question is most quickly, यानी कि आपके पास इनमें से कौन सा ज्यादा अच्छे से डिफ्यूज हो सकता है. तो कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड having 44 mR and neon having 20 mr, right? So it's obvious over here that the right answer can be this or can be this, but not these. ये दोनों तो नहीं हो सकते, right? And we know that when the temperature is going to be increased, then the diffusion is going to be increased. So the right answer will be D. Absolutely correct, Daniel. Perfect with it. Okay, so then move towards question number 10, and this is for Alishba. Yes, Alishba. Question number 10 आपने solve करना है बेटे. Question number 11 हिबा ने solve करना है. I'm sorry. 10 Alishba, 11 Hiba, and 12 is for Zibun Nisa. Yes, try to solve this, bacho.
Sir,
Leave it.
so what does the term sharp temperature mean?
What is?
What does sharp temperature means? Like is the temperature constant at the start and the end?
At the start, you can consider that at the start that the temperature is room temperature, right?
Can you repeat that again, sir?
I'm saying at the start the temperature is room temperature. You can consider this 25.
Okay.
Sir, I think option C.
Option C. Yes,
लेकिन
बच्चों. लेकिन क्या?
नहीं सही है, option C है.
Option C will be the right answer. Okay, let me check. Is that right or not? So, bachcho, they are saying a purple pill is placed in a beaker of water. The beaker is left for several hours. The diagram shows the appearance of the water when the pill is added and several hours later. So start में आपके पास colorless है, and then after some time when this pill or this crystal is going to be dissolved, then you will see that the color will be pale purple, right? Which statement explain why the changes occur? And diffusion occur because the pill is colored? No. Diffusion can occur if the pill is colorless, right? And diffusion occur faster at higher temperature. Diffusion occurs faster at higher temperature, but right now there is no need of temperature over here. Diffusion occur from an area of higher concentration to an area of lower concentration. This will be the right answer over here, right? This will be the right answer over here. Right, bacho? Is that right, bacho?
Yes, sir.
So C will be the right answer. 10 का answer आपके पास होगा, it will be C, right?
Yes.
Okay, 11th one, Hiba. Yes, Hiba. Are you there, bete? Okay, Maniba, can you solve this, bete? If Hiba is not here.
Yes. Which one?
11, bete. You need to solve the 11th one.
Okay.
Sir, C.
C. Let me check. So
C.
which statement equal masses of methane gas and are stored under different conditions? Under which set of condition does the methane occupy the smaller volume, smallest volume? We know that for a smallest volume, we should have temperature lower and pressure higher, right, bacho? This condition will minimize the volume of any gas, right? So zero temperature, these two answers can be right? And twice the atmospheric pressure, that means the right answer will be B. Okay, bacho?
Yes, sir.
Okay, 12th one. 12th one किसको दिया था मैंने? ज़ेबन निसा को. Yes, ज़ेबन निसा.
Sir, can you explain again? मैं समझ नहीं आया कैसे.
बेटे अगर आपको
Statement.
किसी भी गैस का वॉल्यूम अगर आपको कम करना होगा तो आप उसका टेम्परेचर कम कर देंगी, ठीक है? बर्फ का टेम्परेचर कम करेंगी और उसका प्रेशर बढ़ाएंगी तो उसका वॉल्यूम कम हो जाएगा, ठीक है ना? किसी भी गैस है, जैसे बलून के ऊपर हम प्रेशर अप्लाई करते हैं तो वो छोटा हो जाता है. सेम एज इट इज, आप किसी भी सब्सटेंस को, किसी भी गैस को अगर उसको प्रेशर अप्लाई करेंगे तो उसका वॉल्यूम कम हो जाएगा और उसका टेम्परेचर, फॉर एग्जांपल अगर आप क्या करती हैं उसका टेम्परेचर लोअर कर देती हैं उसका वॉल्यूम कम हो जाएगा. टेम्परेचर बढ़ाने से तो वॉल्यूम बढ़ जाएगा.
Sir, 12 का part A.
12th का part A, which statement correctly explain why chlorine at 40 diffuser than neon? Yes, chlorine has a relative molecular mass 71, while neon has a relative atomic mass of 20. Yes, the one which is heavier in mass definitely will diffuse slower, right, bacho? Is that right, bacho?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay, there's one. I think it will be a difficult one, but let's check. Can you solve this? Yes, Farwa, can you solve this, bete?
So 13.
G 13, bete.
So P या D है कोई.
इसका B या D है. देखें, this is actually the mixture, ना? So just look at over here. For example, if the melting point of lead is more than 300 and the melting point of tin is almost 200, now. So when we mix these two, definitely the melting point may be here, or maybe less than this, right? So any melting point can be happen, but remember, it cannot proceed above than this, right? Right, बच्चों?
जी सर.
जो मेल्टिंग पॉइंट होगा मिक्सचर का वो तो कुछ भी हो सकता है ना. 300 हो सकता है, 250 हो सकता है, 200 हो सकता है, 220 हो सकता है, 190 हो सकता है, बहुत कुछ हो सकते हैं, बट इट कैन नेवर बी मोर देन 300, राइट? बिकॉज जो दो चीजें मिक्स हो रही हैं उसका मैक्सिमम टेम्परेचर 300 था, उससे ऊपर तो टेम्परेचर नहीं जा सकता ना मिक्सचर का, राइट? सो इट इज ब्लो लैड. जितना भी होगा, कितना भी हो सकता है, आई डोंट नो, and even you don't know, and even examiner don't know, but it definitely blow the melting point of lead, right बच्चों? उससे ज्यादा नहीं जा सकता. If you are adding something, we know that if the solid is going to be impure, any solid is going to be impure, it will decrease the melting point. If impure solid का melting point decrease हो जाता है, decrease melting point, right बच्चों? Okay, so this one is very simple, very
सर
simple. Yes,
सर
जी.
सर इसका डी नहीं हो सकता 13 वाले का?
This between नहीं, हमें नहीं पता ना, बीच में आएगा या हो सकता है उससे भी नीचे चला या फिर, है ना?
तो
हमें
फिर सर ये
absolute-
कैसे
हमें
पता चला कि बिलो द?
ये फिक्स है, जब भी कोई भी सॉलिड इम्प्योर होगा उसका मेल्टिंग पॉइंट कम हो जाएगा, सही है? अब कितना कम होगा, इट इज नॉट यू कैन से दैट कि ये फिक्स नहीं है कि कितना कम होगा, हाँ ये है कि कम हो जाएगा, इट इज फिक्स, बट कितना डिक्रीज होगा ये हम एस्टिमेट नहीं कर सकते, ठीक है?
ओके सर.
चलें, 14th MCQ को ऑन करके दिखा सकता है मुझे खिजर, कैन यू सॉल्व दिस?
सर ए होगा ना?
A होगा इसका आंसर. Let's check. If you talk about this, they are saying that the four gases are over here, and these gases are like methane, iska MR 16, ammonia, iska MR 17, carbon dioxide 44, nitrogen it is 28. So they are asking that what is the order of the rate of diffusion at room temperature? So slowest.
सर सी ए नहीं सी
सबसे slowest कौन सी होगी? Third one. Then उससे slowest fourth one. Then second one, and then first one. Then the right answer will be बच्चों C. That's right. ठीक है ना? C will be the right answer. Okay बच्चों?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then this one. Yes, this is a very basic question. You can solve this, and this question should be solved by Abir. Yes, Abir, can you solve this, bete?
Okay, sir. Sir, is it B?
Is it B? And your answer is absolutely right, I think. Let me check. Gases can diffuse through a porous pot. The diagram shows a beaker full of nitrogen, right? This beaker is full of a nitrogen, and they are saying inverted porous containing carbon monoxide and this containing carbon monoxide. And we know that both have the same molecular mass, right? So they are saying the water level does not move. The water level does not move. Which statement will explain the right answer? The two gases having equal molecular masses. That is why the water level is not increasing or changing, right? Very good, Abir. Perfect answer, bete. Good. Yes, 16th MCQ. Who gonna solve this? Musira, can you solve this, bete?
Sir, which question?
17th. Sorry, 16.
Yeah. Sir, will the answer be D?
Okay, let's check. They are saying which row shows the correct statement about the speed at which the gases diffuse, right? We know that effect of molecular masses, the lowest the molecular mass will diffusion faster, right? So you can see this lower molecular mass diffuse faster, lower molecular mass diffuse faster. That means these two can be the right answer. Then we know that if we increase the temperature, then diffusion is going to be increased. So diffusion is faster at higher temperature. So the right answer will be C. Okay, bachcho? Right, bachcho, or not?
Yes, right.
Okay, yes, Maha Khan, can you solve the question number 17, bete?
Okay, sir.
It is very simple. Maha,
Sir, AR का MR क्या है?
इसका M out of 40. A gas cylinder is placed in each of the four corners of room temperature. Each cylinder contains a different gas stored under the same pressure. The gas are released exactly at the same time. Which gas will reach at the center first? Yes.
A.
Which gas will reach at the center first? So we have four different gases. It is 17, it is 40, it is 28, and it is 71, right? So we know that the lightest can diffuse the first because it has the greatest or the fastest rate of diffusion. So Maha, you are absolutely right. Okay, so A will be the right answer. Yes, 18th MCQ. Over here, you can see this, but the diagram shows some of the changes of states, right? And you can see over here what's going to be happen. We have six change of states now. So one is missing over here. This one is missing, right? So solidification is missing in this diagram, right? And the question is actually related with this. The question is which statement is correct. So you can say that although the changes is not shown on the diagram, a gas can change through the directly to the solid, right? So this is the right statement, right, Bacho? Then question number 19 is over here. So you can see this, what the question is saying. The diagram shows an apparatus used to compare rate of diffusion. At which position did a white deposit of ammonium chloride forms? We know that ammonia is NH3 and this is HCl. So ammonia diffuse fastest, right? And chlorine diffuse slowest because of the higher mass. So the right answer will be D, right, Bacho?
Yes.
Then they are saying four identical balloons are filled with different gases at same temperature and pressure. The gases gradually diffuse out of the balloon. Which pair of balloons will deflate at the same rate? ठीक है ना? इनमें से कौन से दो balloon same rate पर नीचे पहुंचेंगे फटने के बाद? So you can see this. It is 44. It is 28. It is 28 and it is 17. So we know that when the MR are same, so definitely they will diffuse at the same rate. So you can say that Q and R will diffuse at the same rate or deflate at the same rate, right, Bacho?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so मेरी तरफ से आज के लिए इतना ही क्वेश्चन है. This is your homework. Just take a picture of this and solve this after the class. Actually, I am in the hospital and I am in the car and taking the class from the car in today's class. Actually, मेरे बेटे की थोड़ी सी तबीयत सही नहीं है, उसके ड्रिप लग रही है अंदर, तो इस वजह से मैं थोड़ा सा बिजी हूँ आज. तो फिलहाल आज की क्लास 40 मिनट की है. कल इंशाल्लाह इससे ज़्यादा की क्लास होगी और हम इससे बाद नया चैप्टर करेंगे. बट टेक अ पिक्चर ऑफ दिस. दिस इज योर होमवर्क, राइट बच्चों?
Done.
Done, every one of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, bacho, just take yourself. We'll start new chapter from the next class, which is tomorrow. Inshallah, see you tomorrow. Take yourself. Stay safe. Stay blessed. Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz.